Hello again everyone, Truck CB Sales here with a performance report on the RCI-2970N4. First let me say, if you see the blue flickering, that's just an illusion from the camera. I assure you it's truly not doing that. But this thing has got four 2879 transistors in it and is being driven by a IRF520 driver driving two IRF520s, heat sink, thermostatically controlled fans. This unit right here, for the customer, we did the voltage regulator upgrade. It's going to run cooler for him when he's on AM. It doesn't have any effect on sideband, but it is a nice little thing to have if you're going to run AM. Okay, so I'm going to get right to it. He's going to run just radio only, so we set it up that way. We're on AM, RF power all the way down, 500 watt slug. 25 watts all the way down. And you're looking right there at about 160 all the way up. I'm going to show you average power swing. Hello. About 280 bird average. 1000 watt slug and peak. Hello. About 620. We're going to go to sideband. Hello. And about 490 on sideband. These make great standalone rigs, or for something bigger. If you've got a 16 pill, 32 pill, 3CX 3000, something like that, it'll work nicely. If it's something you're interested in, check us out on the web at www.truckcbsales.com or email me at truckcbsales@gmail.com. Bump bump.